Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add Composite Blur to OBS Studio. First, open your browser and search for Composite Blur on Google. Then open the OBS page and click the download button. Then download the Windows installer. Once the download is complete, open the zip file and extract it to your desktop. After that, open the setup file and start the installation. Before you install it, make sure the OBS Studio installation path is correct. If it's not, simply select the correct folder and continue with the installation. When the installation is finished, open OBS Studio. Then right-click on your source, go to Filters and add Composite Blur as an effect. Now customize the settings however you like and start using the blur effect. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.